Hi everyone, my name is Amak Janalgatta. Today we are going to learn about functions in Python. So let's get started. Here I created a file called function demo recording 1. Here I am giving def is for definition, and here I am giving the function name as hello world. Okay, and just a minute. Okay, it's nothing. Now here I am giving colon. Here I will give print hello Python. Here I am giving c equal to 10 plus 90 and print c. Here I am giving now print. Okay, and now here if we run it, you can see it's not coming anything. Okay, so to do is we have to first call the function. To do this, we just have to get the function name as hello world brackets. Now in the colon, you can see now it's coming hello Python 100 by. Okay, that is how it works. Now here I am giving definition again. Here this function's name will be sum, and here I am giving num1 as number 1 and num2 as number 2. Here I am giving result equal to num1 plus num2. Here I am giving result is result. And here, oh, 1 minute. Here I am giving print sum 10, 90. Okay, now an error in line number 7. Oh, the colon. Okay, there you can see now it's coming hello Python 100 by result is 100 and none. Okay, now here I created another file called function demo recording 2. So here I will give as definition sum num1 num2 num1 comma num2 equal to 0, num3 equal to 0 and num4 equal to 0. Okay, now here I am giving result equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3 plus num4. Here I am giving print result is okay. Now result. Now here I am giving return result, means like returning the result. Now here I am giving new result equal to sum of 12, 12, 34. Okay, now here I am giving print value is new result. Now I'll just run it. You can see now it's coming result is 58, value is 58. Okay, now it's because of this. Here we're given 4 variables num1, num2, num3, num4. Okay, and here we give 3 values. We can also give 4 values, but if we give 4 variables and give 5 values, we'll get an error. It's coming that sum takes from 1 to 4 positional arguments, but 5 are given. Means that 4 variables are there but 5 values are there. So that is the error. Okay, so this is about that variables and values. Okay, and next I created another file called function demo recording 3. Here I'm giving definition greeting fname, and here I'm giving lname marks, and here I'm giving print welcome fname, and now here lname I'm giving equal to and str okay. Now here I'm giving amog and Janallagadda greeting fname equal to amog and lname equal to Janallagadda, and finally and here I'm giving marks equal to 95. Okay, now here I'm giving greeting marks equal to 95 and lname as last name equal to Janallagadda and fname equal to amog. Okay, so that is all about it. On line number 4 a little mistake. Okay, I'll just comment this. Okay, here it's coming welcome among Janallagadda 95. It's coming welcome that we're given over here in the print statement, and the first name amog, the last name Janallagadda, and the marks 95. Okay, this is the last file as function demo recording 4. Okay, now here I'm giving definition check even number. Okay, and here I'm giving list 1 and even number. Oh, 1 minute. And here I'm giving for x in list 1 if x module 2 equal to 0. Okay, and here as pass statement else and even number dot append x. Here I'm giving written and or even number. Okay, now here I'm giving result equal to check even number. Here I'll give a few values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and those. Oh, 1 minute. Here I'll give if length result is equal to 0, and here print result print sorry no odd number found. Okay, sorry, no, no even number found. You can see it coming 13579 are even. If you want the, oh, some of them are given odd. Okay, it's okay. Okay, the odd ones. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you and bye.